if you're looking for a 12 volt overlanding car camping fridge, this VEVOR 45 liter fridge might just be it. So today I will unbox it, test it, review it to show you how good and practical it is. Let's go. Alright, but first, let's unbox it. Ta-da! And inside we have two boxes. We have the plug to the outlet in the house. Here in Europe it's 220 volts, and the one that's going to be used in the car, the 12 volt cigarette lighter plug. We got the energy thing we have in Europe, quick install instruction and user manual. In the second box we have another handle, probably to put it here. As you can see, there is like screws here that can be used to add another handle, so you have both handle to lift. So that's pretty nice. Alright, so first impression after unboxing it. It's all plastic, but it feels pretty high quality and sturdy plastic. You can see the handle is great. You have reinforcements in all corners if you throw it away in the car, in the garage. The display here with 4 buttons feels good as well. We're gonna test it just after. You have some vents here for the compressor to not overheat. So yeah, pretty interesting. You can see LED light inside, and the baskets you can actually remove. Dimensions are 69 centimeters by 35 centimeters by 46 centimeters. So in inches, that will be 27 by 13 by 18. It's a 45 liter fridge. They even have a 55 liter on their website. By the way, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description if you want to check it or buy it. So 45 liter here, they say you can fit 48 standard cans, you know, like Coca-Cola cans that are pretty much like this. 48, that's quite a lot. You can see there is here the fridge space, and here is going to be the freezer space. Alright, so now let's go through some key features of this fridge. First of all, we saw that during the unboxing, there is a 12 volt mod to use in the car. This is where we're gonna test just after, and a 2020 volts for not 2020, that's a lot of volts. It's 220 volts for home use with this adapter. Now, temperature range. This is quite pretty interesting because it goes from minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 10. So you have a really wide range of temperatures, and minus 20 is actually pretty impressive. For you guys in the US, in Fahrenheit, it's from 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68. The cooling power is set to be at 45 watts, and there is no like noise level in decibel, but it said that is low noise. You have on the fridge this handle on the front to lift it, and as you saw, there is another one you can put at the back of the fridge to have 2 handles and carry it easily. You have the LCD display with 4 buttons. We're gonna focus on that just after. Inside you have the removable basket and the LED light with 2 compartments, one for freezing and one for just cooling. And cherry on top, there's actually an app. Alright, so let's set up it right here, right now. I turn the fridge, because you have the outlet here. Plug it into. And then you just have to plug a 12-volt cigarette lighter on your car, and the Forester is really great because I have one in the back just right here. And it's working. So you can see it at 26 degrees Celsius right now, which is pretty high temperature. Okay, it's at minus 20. I just want it to go to 0 degree, which is gonna be great. Okay, and that's it. And you have also, so it's running the volt here at 11.2, which is actually the voltage of my main battery in this car, because I don't have an auxiliary battery. And what's interesting, you can see LMH, it's actually battery protection system. At certain voltage, it will automatically shut off to protect your battery, so you don't end up with dead battery during the day or even in the morning if you keep the fridge running on your main battery. That's really great. Okay, so now that the fridge is working, let's put it in great use. You know, this is actually the really accurate overlanding situation here. I'm gonna get my beer cold. And set up on my phone here a timer. Let's go to see how fast or slow is gonna take to go to 0 degree. And right now the compressor is fully running, and I don't know if you have the noise on the camera, but it's really low noise. Okay, so while the fridge is getting cool, I just wanted to check the app with you. So let's try to connect it. Okay, it's here. And boom, it's connected. That's really smooth. And as you can see, you got the actual temperature. It's 20 degrees, so we are already minus 6 from the beginning. I can set up the temperature. It's at 0, but you know, I can adjust the temperature from here. I can go to eco mode, lock the temperature, switch to Fahrenheit because I'm in Celsius right now, and disconnect the app. I can also switch, you know, the mode, the safety mode. It's in medium. I can switch to high or low. And this Bluetooth app connection is actually pretty interesting because And it's an upgrade from my previous fridge because typically when I'm driving, doing overland stuff, my fridge is in the back of the Overland Tactifaz. So I have really no control on it. And it happened that the fridge like disconnected, or sometimes the temperature is rising because it's really hot outside and you need to lower the temp, and you have to stop, open the trunk, click on the buttons, and that's really annoying, and it can throw, you know, if you have meats in the fridge, the meat can go wrong if the fridge is not working anymore and you don't sew it before you stop. So this is really interesting. I love the app, and I'm sure because I will have the use of it during overland trips. So the app looks pretty great. And here we go. After 25 minutes, we have a 0 degrees Celsius temperature, which I think is pretty great. Especially considering that the sun, and it's hot day today, the sun is directly hitting on it on this side. So 25 minutes, 0 degree, that's pretty cool. No, you know, that wasn't a joke. That's pretty cool. All right, fresh beer. Pretty nice. So what do I think about this fridge? First of all, it's 45 liter, pretty large capacity, and I think it's pretty great for 2 people overlanding and being off the grid for 2 to 3 days. The compressor is pretty efficient, and in only 25 minutes it was down to 0 degrees Celsius. Pretty nice. We saw that you have 2 compartments, to freeze and to refrigerate. Great addition. So I think it's a pretty good value for the price, which is at 250 euros for reference. And the link is down below if you want to check it. You also have 2 ways of using it: in your car for overlanding, for car camping with the 12 volts, and at home with the house power outlet. And remember my tip, you can cool it down before going on a trip at home and then put it on the car already cooled. 2 other great features: the battery saving mode that will avoid you to have a dead battery when waking up in the morning during your overland trip, and the app, the Bluetooth app, which is pretty nicely made, pretty smooth to connect, and I think really useful during a trip, especially on the road, to check temperature, and if everything goes well, adjust the temperature on your fridge. Alright, so after unboxing it, reviewing it, and also test it, I think it's a pretty solid choice and a pretty solid product for people who want to go overlanding, car camping, or just want fresh drinks during road trips. If you have a family, that can be just useful in the back of the car just for a road trip. Once again, the link is down below in the description. There is also a discount code if you want to use it. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you want more overland gear reviews, more overland adventures, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can also check my Instagram account for awesome pictures. And if you want to see me using this fridge on a multiple day adventure car camping trip, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you next month.